Hello everyone. Today's topic is to demonstrate understanding and visualizing of basic graph using Python. So here are some libraries related to visualization of graph. My first library is to import network as NX. The second library is NumPy, okay, as NP, and my third library is create. I just create is import matplotlib. Is it matplotib dot pyplot pyplot as plt. Okay, now my next command is to create a graph is one second. G is equal to nx dot graph. You can see I just not sorry, I could not use the parenthesis for that. That means does not have any vertices or edges. I just create a simple graph. My next command is to add some nodes in my graph. Is g dot add and then underscore node I. Is it up to you? Is it up to you how amount of nodes you can create, 1 to 5 and all. I just create 5 nodes for my graph. Is it third and 4 and 5? Okay, now I just draw. That means I just to plot or visualize a graph using nx.draw without labeling here. I could not use any label. Okay, and now I just clear my screen. One second. Here is my edges are seeing you that I just create 5 edges. Now clear my screen. Now I used labeled. Okay, so to plot or visualize a graph using nx.draw, I just give him labels like labeling दिए मैंने 1 से, and then 2 labels I just give, and you can see that it's visualize. Now my next command is to change the vertex color. Okay, change the vertex color of the graph using this command. Is it nx dot sorry I just use. Okay, to add an additional vertices, if you want to additional vertices into existing graph as an extension to node of the existing graph using, so you can use the command g dot add edges and give your parenthesis and then draw it. Okay, now I just give some edges for my graph. Okay, you can see that I just give edges for my graph, so you can visualize my graph is plot little bit. Okay, now I just draw it for with the help of a command. Now you can see it. Now mm, I just changed my edges too. Okay, so I just give it colors. It's up to you guys. You can change if you want. I just give it red color. Okay, and then I just clear the screen for more easily you can see it. Now my next command is to just a second. I just create, yeah, you can see simple graph using inbuilt function with n vertices and n minus 1 edges. For example, if n is equal to my 7, okay, so I just create a cyclic graph. You can see it. I just create it. I used some demonstrate to create a graph H without adding vertices. Okay, here is a without adding vertices hai. I just create a nodes and you can see it in a screen. I just give it. I add some edges for my graph. You can see it. It's draw like it is visualized now. Now I just leveled it. Okay, is it level 1? See it, it looks interesting. Now wait a minute. Now clear the screen. I just clear my screen and then I plot another graph. Okay, plot another graph. Is it G? And you can see it. I create another graph for it. Now clear my screen. Wait a minute. Okay, I clear it. Now my next command to plot a simple graph using inbuilt functions, okay, with n vertices and n minus 1 edges. Now I just plot another graph. You can see it. Is it p graph I used is equal to my nx dot path graph 7. I give it parenthesis, I give it value 7 and nx dot draw. See it, my graph is visualized clearly. You can see it. Now I just I just used the command nx.draw p comma with labels. Okay, now I just clear my screen. Wait a minute. Now I create or draw a cyclic graph Q with 8 or 9 vertices. It's up to you guys. How many vertices or how many vertices using in a graph, it's up to you. Now I just create a cyclic graph. Okay, then I give it parenthesis. Okay, q is equal to q cyclic graph is it nx dot path graph. I give it 8 value and next one is give it 9 value. Now cyclic graph c is equal to cyclic graph is equal to nx dot cyclic. Okay, nx dot cyclic underscore graph I give it 8 value. At and now the another k is equal to nx dot cycle is equal to nx dot cycle underscore graph and I give it value 9. Okay, you can see it. Now I draw it with labels. Okay, nx dot draw. I just type it. Okay, I give it labels. You can see it. Nx dot draw graph underscore graph. Okay, you can see it. Nx dot draw c with labels is equal to my 1 and is equal to 1. I close it. Now my second is I just change it. You can see it. I draw it and it is visualized. Now I draw I just change the labels with k. Okay, and now I draw it. This is okay, you can see it. This is the cyclic graph with labels and changing labels. Now I create next one is I just create or next command is to draw a complete graph which 9 vertices, which have a 9 vertices. So let's get started. I just create it. Wait a minute. I just type it. I clear my screen for better understanding. Now we create or draw a complete graph of 9 vertices. This is my college assignment, so I just follow the instructions by my professor. So q is equal to nx dot cycle underscore graph. I give it value 9, sorry 8. Wait a minute. Cycle underscore graph, I'll give it value 8. You can see it. Wait a minute. Okay, now my next command is same but the value is changed. Okay, because we are using 9 vertices for our graph. Now see nx dot complete graph of 8 vertices. ठीक है, for 8, and I just draw it. So let's see it. Draw with the labels. Okay, so I give it label 1, I think. Yeah, I just give it one label. Now let's visualize. Here see, this is complete graph of 9 vertices. You can see it, the edges and vertices. Okay guys, so thank you so much. So if you like it, please please give me a thumbs up, share it, and also comment. Thank you so much. This is my college assignment, so thank you.